So why use Unity? Well, besides the fact that once you do get a hang of the interface
and resources that are available for the platform.
We wanted to pick a technology that it's being used widely, but also there's a good community, that they are responsive and they are welcoming.
It's very simple to create some really amazing looking effects and games, and Unity Technologies as a company is always keeping up with the latest thing.
Unity has just been relevant for a really long time.
I chose Unity in my development because of the sheer amount of documentation.
Why I chose Unity was really a no-brainer. This was just the foundational platform that so many of my colleagues were using to build the experiences that I loved.
I just wanted to be able to bring a model in from Maya, click a button and have it working in the editor, and I wanted to look good without too many bugs or issues, and Unity just made it really easy to get that done. So that's why I chose Unity.
I chose Unity because I feel like it can make any of your ideas come to life, and that's why it's my favorite game engine.